I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road.
I have a mobile order for Aaron.
Alright, Aaron.
And I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. No, you've got questions.
Welcome to another Sunday fun day. It looks like rain, but we'll see how that plays out. I think today's going to be a little bit different day. Today, the church has opened for in-person services, so we should have more. Yeah, she's excited. Yeah.
I said I feel like the fish on Finding Nemo when they're gonna clean the tank and say, today's the day!
Morning. It's morning, everyone! Today's the day!
Yes, of course. Today is the day because we've been craving this for what, 3 months?
3 months.
3 months of quarantine, and things have opened up, and I think everyone's kind of taking different plans. Some are just like the helter-skelter plan, some are the safe and sound plan, but either way, we're slowly opening back up to what is going to be, I would say our new normalcy. But there's a couple things we're going to do today, so follow me along. I think it's not a protest, but about 3 o'clock we're going to do a peaceful gathering, and then later on in the evening around 6 we're going to do our youth group area. But since we're not meeting in the church for the youth group, we're going to find a spot for them to watch the service, watch the message, hang out, do some small group talk, and maybe eat some snacks that are individually wrapped. No touching.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the dang time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down.
Kim Andre Newston in his death diving championship.
Death diving.
Death diving.
That's a sport I need to
Death
get
diving.
about. Death diving.
Anybody want to sign up for death diving?
ESPN has kept us well informed and well educated. Hey, thank you guys for being here this morning. Can we hear for all of our celebrations, all of our birthdays, all of our new sports heroes to inspire our children? Well, there you go.
It's roughly about 2:30-ish in the afternoon. We are planning to head back to church so I can grab my other camera equipment. We're staring at the sky, look at that. It looks nice and cloudy that way, but it looks nice and dark this way. So we're looking at the rain, and hopefully the rains of Africa hold off.
I bless the rains down in Africa.
But right now we're going to go to a peace gathering, hang out with friends, do some worship, and then at 6 o'clock we have the students hanging out for youth group at McDonough Park, but it's outside, so we're worried about outside rain.
Not good.
Here, gears shifting.
Thank you, band, for playing. That was absolutely amazing. And so now we are going to split up into our prayer groups. Okay. And so,
What's up, man? We're still looking at the weather. It is still sprinkling, or sprinkling at the moment, but hopefully it stops and then we can meet. But I have a feeling we're gonna have to call it and put it inside, even though the weather was nice to do it outside. And we wanted to do it at the park because that was nice too, but we may have to call it. But anyways, backing up to Point Park and the peace gathering that we just went to, it's still going on. We left in the middle of it, but I think that it was put together fairly well with a lot of people. I was not expecting that many people. I was expecting maybe 7 or 8 people that said yes on Facebook, and there ended up being roughly about, I don't know.
I couldn't count after about 50.
Yeah, more than 50.
I couldn't see everybody's heads.
50 people there, so that is already a win, and that was great. And just hearing the prayers and hearing the songs and just understanding that there's love out there. There's people that care, and everyone's trying to remind people of Jesus, of whatever's going on in the world. So that was awesome. Azarian, if you're watching this, you need to know that you did put something awesomely well together, and that was amazing. Just to see that amount of people there, and everyone taking part, and everyone enjoying and hearing the words and understanding what was going on. That's already amazing. So you don't have to
there for a common goal.
Bringing that many people together, that's a huge step. That was huge. So I appreciate you, man. And moving on to the next thing. It's 4:06 at the moment, so we got to do a couple things first before we get started. But I think we're gonna have to call it and move to the gym. But we need to pick up my niece, and then pick up some drinks, and then youth group tonight at 6. Okay, we're in Sam's Club. Shh, no one knows I'm filming. All right, we're in the gym. It's a little rainy outside. But while we're in the gym, I'm here a little bit early, so we got a couple things set up. We got the projector going. We're gonna sit up there. I don't expect maybe 20, 25 persons in this area, in this building. I got someone bringing a projector, and then, yeah. So I got a little bit of time on my hands. We got the sodas in the fridge already, so they're gonna be cold when people get here, so we don't have to get a cooler and ice. And water's coming, plates are there. We got gloves to hand out food and things like that. And yeah, with this time being alone here, I wanted to try one of those TikTok things. It's gonna require a little bit of editing, but I'm gonna see if I can try it. It's not a tick vlog. So I totally missed this, but we're gonna redo it just for you guys. All right, everyone, shh, we're gonna do it again. Shh, here we go. Shh. All right, redo. Here we go. Yay! Yes.
Thanks, Alex.
Yes. Yeah. As a videographer, you want to get it the first time, but hey, welcome to Moe's. So you always got to be recording, but apparently I'm late.
Yeah, but it's all right.
We do prayer, then we eat pizza. All right, and that pretty much ends the day because Sunday Fun Day. We had some good stuff. We had some church today, had some peace gatherings, youth group, all of that. So it's been really good. And like I said before, we're to the point that you do not have to like, comment, subscribe. If you do, good for you. It doesn't help me get money or anything like that. I think I've gotten like $5 in my YouTube account from the 3 years that I've been doing this. So at this point, I don't care about that anymore. But I do want to have a good time. So if you enjoy these, let me know. We'll do some more. If not, I'll just share these to my family and let my mom comment and like, subscribe. See you guys.